welcome to Rosa's Beauty Fashion. And I want to give away. Yeah. I always say I'm very blessed. I'm not lucky, I'm blessed to win a giveaway. Okay, so I got this probably about 2 weeks ago, so I really want to do this video. It says, congratulations, I hope you enjoy. Now this is from a good friend of mine, CJ, from CJ Money Entertainment, and I will insert a picture of her right there. I just love CJ. She's a great person, and she did a 800 subscriber giveaway, okay? And she had 5 winners, okay? 4 or 5 winners, and we were able to pick what we wanted, and you know, we pretty much got what we wanted. I'm not sure exactly how she did. I know she drew names or whatever, but I actually won a pair of, what are these called? They're earbuds. Okay, I don't know if you can see those. I'll put a picture, I always put pictures, so you can see them closer. But I was so excited about this because my daughter actually really wanted these, so yeah, I don't know if you can see those, but I'll put a picture too. And it comes with, this is so cool because it comes with a little case. Look at that. And that's nice. Pac-Man. But yeah, so you could do and everything. I don't want to take them all out, but what I will do is, because it comes with the wire, it's really nice. It's a really nice set. Yeah, and it comes with the holder, the wire and the charger and the holder inside. But like I said, I will put a picture because it's easier for you guys to see, if I insert a picture, of it. So you can see it and everything. But yeah, I love some CJ. Okay, let me tell you real quick, okay, what she does on her channel. She does a lot of unboxing, okay? She does a lot of unboxing of very unique items, okay? A lot of things I haven't even seen, okay? She has to use that knife to open her boxes. That's unique. That's her thing. That's her style, okay? She does hauls. She does some cooking, like she'll do some recipe cooking. She just did this one video. Oh my gosh, it cracked me up. She did a taste video. Her and her friend was tasting this stuff. She always has me laughing so hard. I mean, she's a real bubbly person, and if you subscribe to her, she will subscribe back. She's been subscribed to me probably for about 2 years or so, and she's just a really good person. So I'm going to put her link down below, and I would appreciate if you would go over and tell her that Rosa's Beauty Fashion sent you. Yeah, and CJ, thank you so much. I'm so happy that I won these. I will be getting them to my daughter though, because I know she really wanted those, Okay, and then on Fridays, she does this video. It's called Keeping It Real, and I think I said it right. But anyways, yeah, she did that video, and she does keep it real, okay? And I gotta tell you this real quick because it's funny. She did this video, okay, and it's called Copycats. And yeah, she did it because I didn't know she was talking about me, okay? To make a long story short, I have a copycatter, okay? It's like crazy, okay? I mean, this girl does everything I do. I don't care what I do. If I put sexy in the title, if I put classy in the title, if I wear black, she'll wear black. No matter what I do, she copies me. If I put do slow motion, she'll do slow motion. If I throw something, she'll throw something. It's funny. But, it's not like, I don't know. It's a compliment, to be honest. But the only thing that I don't like about it, I'm going to be honest, is that I don't like that she takes the credit, and it's not classy to think, let your subscribers think that, this is all your creativity when it's really mine. Everything she's doing is my creativity. That's the only thing I don't like. But other than that, I'm very happy that she's inspired by me, and that she, I know that she really likes my fashion, because I remember a long time ago she told me she really loves my fashion and stuff like that. So that's, that's a blessing. But it's not cool, when you do that and you don't give a person a credit. That's the only bad part about it. But other than that, and you know what, there's a lot of people out there that are doing this, and I might link another video down below too, because I seen this one guy. I felt so bad because he was like really upset about some things, and there's a lot of things going on YouTube. I feel really bad. Matter of fact, this one guy, he had I hate to get into this, but it's true. I mean, because if anybody is watching this, and there's been a lot of hate and just drama and a lot of stuff going on YouTube, and this one guy tried to commit suicide, and I reached out to him And I said, it's not worth it. I said, don't let anybody bring you down, you know. And I'm actually going to link below a video that Joel Osteen wrote about how your enemies, okay, God uses your enemies to bring you up, okay? Yeah. So I'm going to link that video down below because that was so powerful. And, you know, I reached out to this guy because he was just like, you know, people were getting on him in this, and please don't let anybody bring you down, ever, 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 you know. I mean, yeah, we're human and we might get mad for a minute or something, but just pray, you know what I mean? Because if people try to do that, it's just, they're unhappy, and, you know, you can't do people wrong and get by, okay? And I'm going to mention this real quick. This one girl did me wrong really, really bad, and, you know, she passed away. And I'm not saying that, oh, she passed away for that reason, but God rest her soul, and, you know, rest in peace, you know, to her. But it's sad, you know, like, she did a lot of stuff to me, you know. You just cannot do people wrong and get by. I just really feel that way. But anyways, off all that, I'm going to link down some videos down below. Please go tell CJ, because when she did that video, I was like, what? That sounds like me. But I guess she was watching videos, and you have videos come up on the side, and you see, I guess she had seen it, and she was like, that seems like my friend. She had me cracking up so hard. But all her videos make me laugh. I mean, she is just a riot. She's a good person, a good-hearted person. Like I said, go check her out. Give her a thumbs up. Tell her RosasBeautyFashion sent you. I was so honored and blessed to win this. And yes, like I said, and you can see on the back too how you can put the little earplugs in there. But like I said, I'll put pictures, you know, at the end of this video. And just remember, stay happy, healthy, positive. Please keep your faith. Believe in God. God is with you all the time, no matter what. I don't care what people try to do to you. I don't care how much they try to drag you down, what they try to do. God is with you. God will handle it. I don't care if it takes 10 years. He'll handle it. He sees everything. He does not like ugly. Okay? Remember that. I'm saying this because I've seen a lot of videos of people being down, and they're, you know, like I said, I reached out to this one guy. It just, I don't want to keep on about it, but it bothered me a lot when I knew that he was going to try to commit suicide. I mean, he actually put a picture on Instagram of him holding a whole thing of pills, and he was going to commit suicide because people were doing things to him. I would never do that. I would never, and like I said, if I was going to do something that somebody was doing, I would always give them the credit, you know, and say, hey, you know, this person, I got this from this person, she's amazing, or he's amazing, or give them credit. That's just a classy way of doing it. I'm a classy person, so I would always give the person the credit, you know, and give them their props, you know. But anyways, like I said, I don't want to keep going on about it, but I love you guys so much. Go see CJ. I cannot mention it enough and say it enough. All right, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.